show me just my unread. Like I always want to see my unread first.
You go to settings at the top right, and you change inbox settings to unread first. You're on default here. Default inbox type. You can go to unread first.
So simple. Gosh, change my life.
And I just close your
Thank
settings. Smart. I'm a smart cookie. Eddie did a video tour, Matterport tour of a 47-foot catamaran yacht.
Yeah.
And the way these catamarans are built out, it's like it's like goals for us one day to have a yacht, catamaran yacht like that. It's a 3-2 with a full-size kitchen and a full-size living room upstairs. It's more square footage than our house. Without the Airbnb. You know what I'm saying? Like the master bathroom is bigger than our master bathroom. And it's all light teaks and nautical colors and creams and beiges. It's like very modern boho.
You could live on this thing.
But yeah, this is like full time. We drive this and stay in the bay in Panama, and have our little dinghy to get to and from town and around the islands. That would be exploring, right?
Hey. Hey, I'm gonna pee on things.
Pee boy.
Hey, I'm just gonna
Give him a snack. Bring a snack for the boy, please. Just something like a hunk or something. Mommy get you something. Mommy get you something now, okay? Get something. Pretend. Yep. Oh, she's bringing it. Why are you pushing me? Why are you doing this? Mama? Mommy? Thank you, Mama.